Hi guys! Today I'm showing you how to make the easiest, creamiest homemade yogurt right in your Instant Pot. It takes just 2 ingredients and there's no special equipment needed, and the result tastes better than anything from the store. Let me show you how simple this really is. To make yogurt in the Instant Pot, you only really need 2 ingredients. A half a gallon of milk, and you can use whole milk, 2% or even skim milk. But whole milk gives the creamiest result. And a couple of tablespoons of plain yogurt with live active cultures. This will act as our starter. And that's it. No sweeteners, no thickeners, unless you want to add them later. Start by pouring your milk into the Instant Pot. Close the lid, and you don't need to seal it, and you can use any kind of lid you have which fits on the top. Then press the yogurt button until it reads boil. This cycle heats the milk up to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, which helps the yogurt set properly and give you that thick, silky texture. When it's done, the Instant Pot will beep. Carefully open the lid, give the milk a little stir, and check the temperature. It should be between 180 and 185 degrees. If it's not quite there, turn on the sauté button for a minute or two and stir with a whisk until it reaches the temperature. Then cancel again and you're ready to go. Now we need to cool the milk down to about 110 degrees. This is the perfect warm bath temperature for the yogurt cultures to grow. But before we let it cool down, let it sit another additional 5 minutes in the Instant Pot. Then you can let it cool right in the pot or speed things up by placing the inner pot in a bowl of cool water or cool water with ice in the sink if you want to even get it done quicker. Give it a gentle stir every few minutes until it reaches 110 degrees. Once the milk is the right temperature, take a small bowl and mix 2 tablespoons of yogurt with a couple of spoonfuls of the warm milk. This step helps the starter dissolve smoothly without any clumping. Then pour that mixture back into the Instant Pot and gently whisk to combine. But make sure that you don't whisk too crazy, too vigorously. We don't want any bubbles. Now it's time to let the Instant Pot do its magic. Place the inner pot back in, close the lid, press the yogurt function again, then set the timer for 8 hours for a classic tangy yogurt, or 10 to 12 hours if you like it extra thick and tangy. For me, 9 hours was perfect. The Instant Pot keeps everything at the perfect steady temperature while the cultures grow. Just let it do its thing, no stirring, no checking. When the timer ends, open the lid and check your yogurt. It should be thick, creamy, and set like custard. Don't worry if it looks a little separated, that's total normal. At this point, refrigerate the entire pot for at least 8 hours. Chilling helps the yogurt set even more and improves the texture. If you want Greek yogurt, like I do, just strain it through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth for 3 or more hours. The longer you strain it, the thicker it becomes. Now I have this little special yogurt strainer. I will put a link in the description so you can find it. But what it does is you fill the yogurt in and it will drain on the bottom. You can just close the lid and let it sit in the refrigerator 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, however thick you want it. Here you can see the whey has drained on the bottom. And the yogurt is very thick. It's really an awesome Greek yogurt. And that's it. This is homemade Instant Pot yogurt that is thick, creamy, and so delicious. You can sweeten it with honey, top it with fruit, or use it in smoothies and baking. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and check out my other homemade recipes on my channel. And let me know in the comment section if you made this yogurt. I'd like to hear how it turned out. Until next time.